How to log out of Facebook Messenger on Android. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of your Facebook Messenger app on your Android phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Messenger app, and if I go to my profile and here scroll down, there is no option to log out. Here is option to switch account, but there is no option to log out. So now what you can do is that to log out of your account, open your phone settings and here find and go to applications and permissions. Then here tap on app manager, and now here find and open Facebook Messenger app. Now here tap on internal storage, and you have to clear your Messenger app data. So tap on clear data and tap on OK to confirm. Now this is the only way to log out of your Messenger app on your Android phone. So this is how you can log out of your Messenger on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.